Welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial, you will be able to make a clock telling the date, hour, minutes and seconds. Even though this is a 3 code lines long, but the third command is a very extended. Also, here are the list of the current command possibilities. Year tells the year in numerical form. Month tells the month in numerical form. Day tells the day in numerical form. Day of week tells the days in numerical form. Also, the week starts on Sunday, not Monday. Hour tells the 24 hours in numerical form. Minutes tells the minute in numerical form. Second tells the second in numerical form. The image template is in the description. So let's begin. Also, I forgot to get the template, so we're going to take it. Then we're going to go here, refresh the page. Age and get our sprite. Now we will go to when green flag clicked, forever, and say for 1 second. Also, you can use the say hello statement, but if you're going to use say hello for a number of seconds, you should set the number of seconds to 1 second, because you don't want to have the seconds be 2, 4, 6, 8. Either the minute and all the other functions would work out. So now we need to get the joins. Also, we need some joins here. Yeah. In this part, you want to do this and then this. Wait, nope, actually. So you'll need a couple of joins. And we'll take this one for the current date to tell the day. Then we're gonna do this. To say slash also another slash. So now we go back to sensing. And put the month. Then we need to put the year. So you have now the date. 8. Now we're going to have to continue coding because that is not the best. So now we can. Now, if you don't really like the crazy word, add just a straight one. Then we do the current then we do a space to separate it. So we're going to have to use minutes. Yeah. Actually hours. Then the minutes. Now we will extend it with this. Sex spacebar. Then the current seconds. If we look here, perfect match. It may not be simultaneous by the picosecond though. But we have completed it. Now we have finished. If you want me to program it in Word form, please tell me in the comments. Please reply yes or no in the comments. Please subscribe to me. I really appreciate it. And bye.